I know, Kike. I know I'm not very popular.
You should tell all your students to subscribe and I'll give you a cookie.
Listen, I have told students to subscribe, and then all of a sudden my numbers go back down.
Make it an assignment. Like you'll bump up a letter grade if they subscribe. If you don't subscribe, you're getting an F.
I'm not doing that. That's not
about
measuring what you know about math. That's what I really try to do.
You have to get the right angle to click the subscribe button. Yeah, that has your finger at the 45-degree angle.
Yep, sure is. Okay, identify functions from a table. This is X and Y.
Oh, I thought it was a 4.
You guys, come on, context. This is a table, X and Y. Thank you, Addie. Thank you. Is that a 4? Killing me. So this is very similar to a mapping. Just looks like a table instead. Do the X values repeat? Nope.
It is a function.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, PK. That's the only example we're doing for that table. And then we're going to move on to identifying a function from a graph. When you get done writing that down, take out a colored pencil. I don't care what color, just a colored pencil.
Right.
I'm going to use red if that helps you make your decision, but it's up to you.
I'm going to give you a yellow. No, I actually have this Oh, okay, you what? Yellow.
A little bit bigger. We're just making our own little graph here. It's a mini graph. Teeny tiny mini graph. So when you have a graph, there are two ways you can determine if it's a function or not. Okay? The first way is to list the ordered pairs and look for repeating x values. So who can tell me what my ordered pairs are from this graph? What are they? Eden?
1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2.
Perfect. Right, because you go over 1 up 2, over 2 up 1, over 2 up 2, over 3 up 2. So since we have these all listed out, we can easily look at the x values to see if any repeat. Do I have any repeating x values?
No.
Yeah.
Where? Oh, there's 4. I put 3 down.
So 2, 1, and 2, 2, right? So we would say this is not a function. The second way to determine, and we're going to use the same graph, is a vertical line test. Do you have a question, Eden? You know what the vertical line test is? Fantastic. So everybody hold up your pencil and make it into a vertical line. Hold up your pencil vertically. Some of you were like, vertical, right?
It's exactly
Vertical, okay, is up and down. All right, so you're going to look, listen, and learn for a second. As I take my pencil or my colored pencil and I roll it across my graph, does it go through any 2 points at the same time?
Yeah.
That's my vertical line test. If it goes through more than 1 point vertically, it fails the vertical line test, which means it's not a function.
Can't you also just look and see if there's 2 dots on it?
But that's what the vertical line is, right? You're looking vertically to see if they line up. So if your vertical line passes through more than 1 point, not a function. Do you remember the vertical line test?
We use it still.
You still use it? It's magical. Okay, vertical line test. So I have students that, for whatever reason, insist on writing out all the ordered pairs and then looking at the x values. That's fine. Most of us, however, are into shortcuts, right? And so we would just use the vertical line. Now, imagine that my graph is actually vertical, but like they would go like this and be like, oh, 2 points. So it fails the vertical line test. Okay, we have one more example on the next page. Is anybody still copying this? Does anybody still need this? Okay. Awesome. I lied. There's 3 more examples, but they're going to be really easy for you to draw. Okay. So draw those really quick, and then we'll talk about if they're functions or not. I'm sorry?
We'll leave room underneath to write anything down.
We're going to write out to the side if it's a function or not.
Oh.
Plan. Great question. Okay, number 2, function or not a function? It is a function. This is a function. It's not linear, which we haven't gotten to yet, but this is a function. Right? If I take my red pencil, it's going to pass the vertical line test. It's never going to go through 2 points at the same time. Is everybody okay if I just write VL, vertical line test? Okay. How about the next one? Is this going to be a function? Yes. This is still nonlinear because it has a point there, but this is a function, right? Because if I go vertically, it's never going to pass 2 points at the same time, right? And the last one?
Yes.
No, Kike, no.
What that means.
This is not a function. It fails the vertical line test. All right, when you guys get back from lunch, you will do your ed puzzle.